Alright, today we're gonna draw dragonflies. Okay, so let's start with a dragonfly drinking water. Okay, so we're gonna do that over here. Ready? Put your hand on the paper. Okay, so follow along. Okay, we're gonna draw the eyes over here. Okay, ready? Okay, small eyes. Okay, a little bit far apart. Very good. Okay, we're gonna connect them with two lines, one on top and one on the bottom, to make a circle for his head. Okay, then we're gonna do this. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. Gonna do a circle over here for the body. Can you do that? Half of it go down, connect. Okay, very good. And then we're gonna have the skinny part of the body over here. Okay, go across like a sausage.
This is a really long part.
Okay, yes, hold on to it, okay? Good
It's
job.
a little
Don't
bumpy
okay.
sometimes.
Okay, and then we're gonna draw the stripes on his body.
My stripes are lighter.
Okay, that's fine.
More lighter it gets,
Okay.
the lighter you can't see it.
Okay, and then we're gonna do the wings. Okay, so we're gonna do two going to this side, to the left. 1, 2, and we're gonna go do 2. You got 2 yet? Okay. And we'll do 2 to the right. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, very good.
It's touching his eyeball.
Okay, and then we're gonna draw some legs. So we're gonna do 1,
I'm going to do 1,000.
2,
I'm going to do auto. I'm going to
3, 4, 5. 5 legs, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I'm gonna draw some wavy lines for the water that he is sitting on. He's sitting in a puddle of water, drinking water, okay? And in the end, we're gonna add the eyes. 2 dots. Gonna draw the second dragonfly. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna do 2 big eyes here in the middle. Watch.
Why that big?
Okay. And then we're gonna draw a skinny little body.
I'm going to be skinnier than that.
Okay.
It's fat on top.
And then we'll do the wings. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice it's a little bit pointy in one end, okay? And then we're gonna do these stripes on his body. And we're gonna add some eyes. And you can do a little smile if you like. Alright, that's dragonfly.